Hi, I'm Steve, welcome to my shop. In my last video when I built an AV cabinet, at the start of it I was doing Mortise and tenons, and I decided to order a tenon jig for my table saw, and it arrived, and as you see, there were some problems with it when it arrived. There's some problems, there were some pieces missing, and it needed some fine tuning to get it to fit. I then proceeded to use it, and it works fine. I'm very happy with it. So what I just thought I'd do, do a review of this jig and see what you get, and how it helps. Anyway, this is how I received it. Never used one of these before. We've got the invoice. We've got some instructions. We've got some parts. Polystyrene. Everything smells dead engineering and oily. Which is a good sign. Quite a few wrenches. And there we go. It's a bit tight, so I might just need to relieve it a little bit. So, my next set of tenons will be using a force edge jig. That's after I've sort of read the instruction manual and got it running. The tenon jig, which I've begun to set up, had some parts missing, so I've been back onto the suppliers. They're going to come in a couple of days. What I'll do, I'll just go through how it arrived and what I had to do to it to get it to work. The suppliers were quite good, and they sent the items to me pretty quickly. And fundamentally, it's a bracket that fits around the back, and that fits to there, and that holds it. What I noticed, as I got to the centre, there's a heck of a gap. You see, it's sort of dished. So the first thing is to dismantle it. Quite straightforward, really. Another dish. So it sort of touched on the edges, but not in the middle. So this is where the bar runs. A couple of V grooves there, and it runs on that side and that side, but it's quite rough. Rough casting, to be honest. So it's out with a file and out with a flattening plate. You can see there touching all the way around the edges and not in the middle. So keep on with that really till you get it flat as you can, and then back on the plate to check it round. So it's with a base plate, similar process. Didn't need the files, so it wasn't as far out. Nothing really attaches to that. They attach to there, and they attach in there. So which is where this bar comes in. And what to fundamentally do. So back to setting up and after assembly. Looking to square up the plate now. I've just got a dial test indicator. So with a little bit of a dressing on the cheeks, that's job done. I think if you're doing quite a lot of them, quite a good tool. So that's the Dakota Tenon Jig from Rutlands here in the UK. Works fine. Actually does quite a good job, and you know, in terms of doing quite a lot of tenons. This will just knock them out for fun. Accurate now, better than what I had before, because this was what I used to do. Used to put it over the fence and slide it along. It worked. It wasn't the most accurate, depending on how it sat on the fence, and it's just because it's just plywood sort of screwed and glued. But it worked. That's a lot much better. Quite happy for the money I spent, and a half a day or so to calibrate it and finesse it. So there you go. It's the Dakota DK2087 Tenon Jig. Made in China, supplied by Rutlands here in the UK for about £74, I think. So in summary, like the jig, good addition to my table saw, and more tenons to come, I'm sure. Hope you liked the review. Leave any comments, questions, I'll try and get back to you. Have a good day. See you soon.